Today we're gonna do somewhat of another unboxing. Today I got my DSW packaging, and they did expand their return policy for 90 days since the stores are closed for right now until the COVID-19 state of emergency is lifted. So they're pretty much just an online realtor for right now. So yeah. And I'm excited because I ordered some more sandals because we are starting to get into the warmer weather, and by the time I can get back to work, it'll probably be warmer. So yeah, so let's open these boys. I usually use like a key, and right now I have my Echo Dot playing some rain sounds because I didn't want it to be that quiet. So yeah, and then we get to the unboxing. I think this is good for something. And then, ooh. And then also right now, if you are a VIP member, they did offer $10 in rewards because of the delays in the online orders, since right now a lot of people are ordering shoes as well as all the stores are shut down, as I said. And then they're offering free shipping for any DSW shop where you don't have to be a VIP member with them. And then also, if you are not a rewards member, I think they'll give you 4 times the points. So every $25 that you spend with them, they'll get you closer to a $5 rewards if you are a VIP member. But I think if you use it, I don't know if it will work. So yeah. And then they sent me a $10 coupon that will be valid. That is valid right now until May 4th. And for right now, this is online only, so my treat, so I will get $10 off. I think for any shoes, except for certain brands like Uggs, Timberlands, maybe Steve Madden, and definitely like Brooks and Birkenstocks. So yeah, I have to dump it out because the shoebox is the same size as the actual box. Kind of get it out. What the hell? I'd rather just eat a. What the heck? I have to do it. Like, oh my god. There we go. Got it out. So box over there. I'll put this. So these are the Cooler Bear Uggs. Cooler Bear Ugg sandals. Fuzzin' right here. Fuzzin', and then I have it in the size 8, but usually I get a size 8.5 because I have really wide, fat feet. But it is what it is. And the 8 would probably be a good size, but if not, I don't know. We'll see. So this is what the shoe looks like. And before you say it, is that a slipper? No. It looks more like a slipper, but it's one of those. It's like that other Ugg. It's more like a slider with the strap in the back. And I just love pink, as you guys can tell from my lights and from my Barbie jersey. Pink is one of my favorite colors. but it kind of feels soft, not because of the fur, but like the cushioning soft. But and then like and the strap doesn't feel like it would be rough, since it's made out of like, let's say, like a nice elastic fabric, so it won't be like a faux leather, and it'll kind of feel hard on the back of your heel. So we will try it. It probably won't really fit since it takes. Okay, where were we? As I was saying, since my feet are wide, it does take a while for my shoes to kind of form to the shape of my foot. Sorry, I'm a little. Should have some water. But yeah, so it won't actually fit, and then this part is kind of really low where my actual foot is. But from the looks of it, it doesn't feel like it'll feel like it'll stretch a bit. I just gotta wear them a lot around the house. But yeah, so we're gonna try it on. I'll show you guys what they look like. It'll probably won't like fit. I kinda knew it. It doesn't actually fit. But I just gotta take a moment for my foot to actually fit in here. But it actually feels soft. I'll show you guys. This is what my fat foot looks like. I don't know if you see, you can't even like see my toes because this top part is tight on my foot, but it will take a while. But from the feels of it, it feels really soft. So it'll take a little, but it just it really hurts the top of my foot because my foot is fat and wide. But we're gonna make this work. I do have the little things where you can stretch the shoes out so it can kind of conform to your foot if you have wide feet, or you have like a bunion somewhere on the side of your foot. So yeah, so we're gonna take these off. Good golly molly, these actually are like tight here, so we're just gonna put my little foot stretcher in there. That's what I call them. I don't know what the real name is, but yeah. But I do like the white and pink. It looks cute because it did came in on the DSW website. It comes in black and gray, like a caramel light brown, and I think like in a white, and then it came into this color. And then on the Kubera website, it also came in like a light blue and white. But pink is just my color. So yeah. But I'm actually glad for this part because it kind of keeps the shoe intact. Because sliders are kind of like a hit or miss. Because you can be... But yeah. But these are like so soft. But we will make these shoes work. And these are probably going to be my favorite sandals to wear around, but probably not like actually to work, but like anywhere but work. And then I won't show you guys like the actual receipt since it does have my address, as well as some information that I would like to keep to myself. But actually on the website it's around $56, so $55.99. But I used a 30% discount, not my employee discount, because I felt like that would take way too much longer to get that 30% taken off. So there was like a coupon that was offered, inconvenience of stores being shut down because of COVID-19. So I use that, and then it takes takes $16.80 off. And then since I'm an awards member, I did get free shipping, but as of now, anybody can get free shipping on DSW inconvenience for the COVID-19 restrictions for realtor stores, retail stores. So my total charge was $39.19, and I did use the 4x points, so I got $10 in rewards before they gave me another $10 for the convenience of closing their stores until further notice. So yeah, I'm actually excited about these shoes because I ordered them, I would say, about 2 weeks ago. I knew it might have taken a while because a lot of people are now ordering things online because people don't want to actually go into the store and maybe contract coronavirus. So yeah. So I hope you guys are enjoying your day, afternoon, or evening. And until then, bye guys, and stay safe.